Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Welcome to my channel. Today we learn how to update location details in Bereal 2023. So guys, this is very simple process. Everyone can do it very easily. So don't waste your time and let's get start the video. First we tap on Chrome browser and search Bereal login and tap on second option and tap on your profile. My profile, and you can see you have no location in your account, and go back and tap on settings and little bit scroll down and tap on location and choose your location and write I choose South Africa and tap on save, and you can see my location is here, South Africa, showing in my profile. This is very easy process. I hope you like the video and this video is helpful for you. So guys, please subscribe my channel and like the video and leave the comment in below, and don't forget to press the bell icon for new updates, and thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.